a thing where you put your like this, put your hand out your mouth here, then you do this.
Teach him how to do it.
What you do is basically get your left hand, get your left hand here, and then put it in your mouth, and get it to the left, where your hand is, and then what you do basically is you put it there, and then you go this, like that, yeah. Bye. See you later.